Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a PayPal business account from start to finish. So let's get into it. First, you go to paypal.com, then go to sign up. Then once you're there, select business, get started, and then just fill out this entire form. Then it'll give you a message like this where you have to confirm your email with a code. So click on email you a code, then check your email, then input the code here. Then it'll take you to this page. So it says here, activate your account to start using PayPal. We'll guide you every step of the way. Enter info about your business or organization. So let's just get into it. If you're a freelancer, select individual seller or sole proprietor. I'll go with individual. That's going to give you this form. So just fill it in. Then it's going to ask you to confirm your address. Now you have to tell PayPal more about your business or organization. So just fill up this form. Then there you have it. You can now go to your homepage, and this is what your homepage is going to look like, where you can send invoices here. You can see how much money you receive here. You can change this, of course, to your own local currency, and you can view your transactions here, and that's it. So hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one. If you're just starting your freelance journey, this Ultimate Freelancers Kit is for you, and it's your shortcut to sounding confident, closing deals, and landing clients. So here's what's inside. You're going to get Instagram templates, LinkedIn and Facebook outreach scripts, cold email and follow-up templates, discovery call questions and scripts, proposal templates, response scripts, freelance contract templates, retainer pitch scripts, and so much more. So it's perfect if you're a beginner freelancer, you're a virtual assistant, social media manager, designer, or basically you're just starting your freelancing journey and you want to take the guesswork out of reaching out to clients. You can purchase the product through the link in the description.